Hi, Barbara Lee. This is Randy Allen with Tameron Hyundai, and I want to thank you for your interest in this gorgeous-looking 2014 Nissan Murano. Got it sitting right here on our lot. This is the one that you saw online, but we need to put it in your driveway as early as maybe even tonight. We could squeeze it in, no problem there. So come a little closer, Barbara, and let me show you what you're going to be getting with it. You've got a great chrome grille in the front that offsets with the white color of the vehicle. It's a very, very nice touch. You also have new tires on aluminum wheels. And this is just where it starts getting real good. The outside looks good, the inside looks even better. And it's locked on me. So now, like I said, the inside looks even better. Great leather seating, well maintained, a great light tan color. You also have the electronic seats, memory seats. You have all the controls up here on your steering wheel. You also have the great panoramic sunroof up here on top. You've got backup camera, AM/FM stereo, CD player. Like I said, heated seats. This is a wonderful, wonderful vehicle. Very, very roomy. And it is one that, Barbara, I know you will want to make yours once you see it. It also has one very nice feature. If you look at all the room you have here in the back, it also has the electronic liftgate. This is one that I know you will want to keep the minute you lay eyes on it. So, Barbara, come down and see me today at 1591 Montgomery Highway, right across the street from the big Wells Fargo Bank here in Hoover, Alabama, right here on Highway 31. Or call me at 205-380-6250. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you are going to love what you're treated, and I'll see you soon.